let's talk about these high cleaning fees that everyone is complaining about. Yep, lots of dust there when you don't follow the rules. Why would you do this? Why? I don't want this. Y'all could have pulled up any highway, dropped this off. Come on. What is this? Oh, my charity? No. Trash. Let's look at the kitchen. Why would you leave this here and this? Whoa, what is this? Come on. Now look at the fridge. Why would y'all buy all that? Y'all don't even want to stay here that long. Why? Ew. And then you broke my magnets? Come on now. Ugh. What is this? What happened here? A whole shot glass. For real. For real. Okay, let's look at the stove. All this grease? Come on, what's this? Oh, you thought you hit it? No, I see it. What exactly did you think this was? Look at this wig weave here. I hate a cheap weave. What is this? Ugh, come on. Y'all could have thrown this out. How y'all break that? What is this? Come on. Really? A new towel now. Y'all could have used this makeup towel. Oh, you got your cycle? Y'all thought this was a music video? Come on now. I gotta buy new sheets. Is this mustard? So that's why.